Let's look at some of the techniques I used in this example. First, I started with a little thumb slap. Just take the fleshy part of my thumb here, the side of my thumb, and I just slap the open E. And then I'm strumming an open chord, and then I'm slapping the body of the guitar, and then I hit another chord, but I hit it using my thumb and then my fingers, and then I slap the guitar again. So that's several different techniques that I'm employing to create my own little groove. Let's analyze each step. First, the slap, which creates a popping sound. You'll notice I'm slapping the string right where the neck meets the body. And with my fretting hand, I'm muting the string shortly thereafter. So it creates a short, staccato-like sound. Emphasizing the short bursts, which create the popping sound. Conversely, if you let them ring out, that's a legato tone, which just means long. So let's try those together. I'll count us off, and we'll play a nice moderate tempo, starting with the short pops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, you'll notice those muting fingers are like little levers. They lift up when I strike it, and they come right back down. Lift up, come down, up, down, up, down. Also, you'll notice the tone varies. We want to try to keep it as consistent as possible, but guess what? It doesn't have to be perfect because every little inflection creates our own little nuanced, unique sound. If you pull back here towards the bridge, it gets a little thinner. If you go up on the neck, it creates like this hollow kind of effect. But if you get it just right, it's this nice meaty tone. Okay, we've covered the slapping technique. The next thing I did was just strum a chord. However, I have nails on my fingers, so I used the tops of my fingernails here. And I just did one quick strike. And then after that, I slapped the guitar. So it's a whole combination of things that happens rather quickly. But after you practice it a little bit, you'll get the hang of it. So we do pop, strum, slap. Pop, strum, slap. Pop, strum, slap. Pop. Okay, so again, be patient. It'll take a little bit of time, but you can work with it. The strums, I did some downbeats, downstrokes basically. When I came up, I just used my thumb. And then you can also come back down really quick with your thumb. And then that strike right after. This sounds really cool on an acoustic guitar as well. So again, be patient with yourself and experiment. Just have fun with it. You'll notice I threw in that slide there. That creates a little bit more of an interesting vibe to it. And the chords I'm playing are just an E minor and a B7. And we're hitting all 6 strings. So it's really cool in the matter that you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, am I muting certain strings? Can I only play, certain ones? Nope, go for all 6. No matter what you come up with, enjoy it. So even if you played like a regular old G bar chord, and try your own combinations. So maybe a strum. So that's really simple. I'm strumming down, up, down, and then I slap the guitar. All right, well that wraps up lesson number 1 in this series, identifying the elements. The first element being rhythm. It may not be the most important one, but it's definitely one of the most important elements to any good song. Again, if you pick up a guitar and just start strumming and create your own groove, I can almost guarantee others around you will take notice and bobbing their heads to it. Stay tuned for the next lesson in this series, number 2, melody.